Make a nylon for you.
Say make a carry for you.
No best. Now this one.
This one.
Customer, this one pass 1,000.
Don't start. I go still come tomorrow.
Help me now. Oh,
bring am. I'll go down.
Sorry, Come back tomorrow.
What could be wrong? You shouldn't let me waste this money in this hotel room again. Not after the huge amount of money I've spent securing this room. It's obvious she's intentionally avoiding my call. I see. She thinks I'm Father Christmas. I gave her where she sleeps, even where she markets her plantain. Yet a little favor. It's obvious she's very wicked. Let it not be what I'm thinking, because if it is, I'm so going to deal with her. Can you imagine? Huh? Should I go and meet this hotel, even if it's half of the money let them balance? How can I let a whole 15,000 waste in this please.
Good evening, sir.
God will punish you. In fact, greet me again. In fact, is it because I allowed you to sample all these things here, and you think it's your right? You! A little favor. In fact, henceforth, go there, pack everything you have in there, and leave this place. I don't want you anywhere around here again.
What did I do now? What did I do, sir?
You're asking me what you did. You're asking me what you did. Don't worry, let me help you pack your things.
This thing is expensive in the market now. See how he has thrown up on the floor.
Pack all these things and get out of this place. Go there are things that you need to take out of. Please what?
Please, sir. Please, I'm sorry.
You're sorry?
Please, I'm sorry, sir.
A little favor. Ella, a little favor. And you stood me up.
Forgive me, I'm sorry.
I should forgive you.
I don't have anywhere to go. If you just be away.
Oh, you should have thought of it. You should have remembered that you have no place to go before standing me up.
I'm sorry, sir. Please.
You're sorry. If you know what, in fact.
Please, sir, please.
Where?
Sorry, leave my plantain now.
What am I asking you? What am I asking you that you have not done before? Huh? Do you know how much to rent a room in this Lagos? I gave you a roof over your head. The place is not full of you.
Please tell me, is this my destiny?
I have some things inside here. Please, don't be carrying it down.
Get out!
Please, I still have things inside here.
What do you have?
I have things inside.
Call the name of the things you have. If somebody will hears you like, the person will think you have push on anything here. What do you have? I gave you a space. Do you know how much you're owing me? Huh? A little favor. Get out of here. Get out of this place.
Why are you doing me like this? I don't have anywhere to go, sir.
Go and explain to the whole world what I asked you.
I don't have anywhere
that you can't
to
do.
go. My mom is dead, my dad is dead, sir.
How is that my business?
Let mom go, sir.
Are you willing to do what I asked you? Eh? You are not. Go to any other bridge. That's where people like this live. Don't come here and occupy this uncompleted building. Leave it for mad people. If the person mad people come here, come they stay than you. Don't you do this one favor. Sample anything again. Let me.
You've got to mind the way you treat people. The way you treat people. No, you never know. No, you never know what the all the hurt and the grief, the hate and the shame. Please tell me, is this my destiny? Is this my destiny? Is this the life that I end up leaving?
What have I done?
What haven't you done?
I've done nothing.
Oh, you mean you've done nothing? This is you've been misbehaving. That's what's going on, okay?
Really?
Yes, really.
Misbehaving?
Yes, you heard me.
Then we've been in this relationship not even a year.
Okay.
And I've landed in the hospital for 3 good
Because
times.
I don't know what you're thinking about. You're nagging me too much. That's the problem.
Oh, really?
Yes, that's the problem. Stop acting like you came from somewhere because Earth is full right now. You understand? Act human. That's the problem. You're nagging me too much. If this is a relationship to you, this is not to me. You understand? That's what's up. What is this?
I can see because I love you so much. And I care for you so much. That's why you're acting this rude
Oh,
to me,
is
right?
this what you call love? This is what you call love from that planet you came from? This is what I call nagging, mass nagging, okay? And why am I even furnishing you with replies? You know what? Please, babe, you just gotta go. You gotta go.
Excuse
Please.
me?
Just go, like right now. Please, just get a step and go.
I should leave your house.
Just go. Excuse you, I said bounce. Go.
You are joking, right?
Do I look like your family clown to you? Please, go. I said, don't make me force you out. Go. Tina, go.
Done.
Man, please, I beg. I don't have this time.
You're hurting me!
Man, please.
Hurting me, Dan! You're hurting me!
Please, don't tell me I'm hurting you, okay? Please. Listen, I don't understand. Please, just go. Go, man, go. What is this? You're acting like you're God's gift to me. What is that? I mean, I don't understand what's wrong with these girls. You keep feeling like you're very, very important to every man's life. Not with me, man. I don't care. I don't give a damn. Nonsense. Hey, Tina. Trust me when I say you're not going to like what I'll give to you right now. Okay? What effort do you have to be knocking at my door?
Who's Tina?
Hey.
I thought you'd stop throwing tantrums at people. But I guess I was wrong.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
If only you had picked.
Did you go?
3 times, Dan.
Well, I thought it was
Tina, who is she?
Man, let's not do that right now, okay? Let's not do that.
Dad is critically ill, and I'm afraid.
Don't tell me Dad has had a relapse again. Oh my God. No.
We need to travel down to see him as soon as we can.
Oh God, no. Stella, where?
I spoke to her yesterday. We just have to decide on time.
Yeah, Clara, what's up? Good morning.
We lost him.
What? No. Oh my God. Hey! Oh my God. God, no.
And this is nonsense. It's rubbish.
What has come over you, Dan? Nobody knows Dad is going to treat us this way.
One thing is this, okay? I'm not going back to that lawyer to tell me some kind of trash again. No.
We must sign that document if we really want our father's property.
For what? No, for what reason? Why would we sign that? For what reason would we sign that? I mean, why would that superimpose marriage on us? No, why would he superimpose marriage on us? I mean, I'm a man, okay? I'm a man. That rule should only apply to you and Stella.
So what are you insinuating?
What I am saying is you are a woman. I'm a man, okay? You and Stella are the ones who have problems with biological clocks.
Would you stop saying that?
I won't stop saying
I
it.
don't care.
Okay, fine.
Dad has written his will and we must sign it.
Well, I'm telling you one thing right now. I'm not signing something I don't understand.
Didn't you go to school? You were educated, aren't you? Dad wants us to get married before we can harness his wealth. Simple.
Okay, well, let me tell you this, okay? You see me? I am not signing
that thing. Good luck with you love hunting, okay? But this man, me, I'm not signing something I don't understand. I will never sign it. Never.
Dan!
Really? Can you just imagine? No, can you imagine that we should get married before we have access to his properties? I mean, who does that? Who?
Bro, your father was a very difficult man. I mean, he went really, really far.
Yeah, of course he went too far.
I'm telling you.
I mean, that was too petty, too petty.
Guy, there's nothing you can do about that right now. The most important thing now is, what's the way forward?
What's the way forward? I know the direction you're going, but that direction is a dead end. Dead. You're talking about marriage, right? Marriage is a dead end. Those things don't work anymore. Marriages don't work. So what are you talking about? The marriage is crazy. It doesn't work anymore.
It doesn't work, but not for you.
Excuse me?
I mean, you have a long list of girls. Just pick one.
Do I have that long list of girls?
Yes, you do. And besides, Tina will do everything in this world to make sure that you walk down the aisle with her.
Please, who is Tina? What is Tina? Where is Tina?
Your girlfriend.
Please, Tina is history, you understand me? Tina is done, I beg. Tina is not anywhere close, please.
Are you serious? Did I hear you well?
Yeah, like I told you, Tina is history, please, I beg.
Bro, your relationship with Tina is barely 1 year and you're saying you're done with her? Guy. You need to slow down. I mean, you need to slow down on how you treat these girls.
Listen, you need to slow down and hasten up on how you can ask me to get you a drink. What will you drink?
Bro, I'm serious. I'm not joking.
Okay, I know what you want. I know what you want. I beg. You're asking me. I'm talking about Tina. Tina time don't pass. I beg.
This guy. They swear for you.
This place is not bad though. And nobody's even here. Is it that they've closed or what? I can find one place to perch here this night.
Eh?
Good evening, sir. Good morning. Good afternoon, sir.
Good night to you. Are you okay? Who are you looking for? Road or somebody?
Somebody.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm looking for somebody.
You're not looking normal at all. Are you okay?
I just say I should look for somebody if I...
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I'm looking for somebody, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Sure, right. Just a mad person. You are saying that these people will just start to crease me. Why be say every crease person go dey come around this place? Maybe na food you need. You need food.
This social media, these comedians are so funny. Hey Stella.
I've been trying to reach you since morning, Dan. What did you say to Big Sis?
Truth.
What truth, Dan? I and Big Sis are ready to sign the document. You need to make your decision as quick as possible. Do you know what that means? You were there when it was read.
I've had a long day, okay? I just want to sleep right now. Yes. Yes, I'm sleeping early.
Dan, you need to.
Nonsense.
Please tell me, is this my destiny? Is this my destiny? Is this the life that I end up leaving? Yeah. How come the ones that I thought were close are my enemies? They put me through so much I can't even comprehend.
So, you signed the document?
And I had no choice. I mean, the old man perfected his plan before he left Earth.
So, as it stands now, the moment you get married, you have access to all he left for you.
Why do you keep saying this? I've said that a million times, man. I beg.
So, bro, tell me, who is the winner? You know, it's like a contest right now. From your long list of girls, who is the lucky one?
Man, dude, I don't know what female to call. I don't know who to call. Trust me when I say that. I don't know who, because I don't even know where to start from, man.
There are so many, right? So many of them.
Excuse me? Who told you that?
There are too many of them.
I beg, stop that nonsense. I don't keep them in quantums, please. Just stop, please. I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
Ah, guy. King Solomon.
Not that kind of guy. I don't know what you're talking about. You know, I'm one at a time.
Bro,
okay?
Are you talking to a stranger or you're talking to me?
I'm talking to you, please. I beg, it's one at a time. I beg. You're talking like I have a warehouse of women where I go and pick them. Please.
Ah, bro, you're talking to Dimeji. Don't tell me that. I know you very well.
Beg.
Someone who is always there.
Sis, he looks so amazing and cute. How fast did you move, sis? After that idiot broke your heart.
My dear, I just had to find solution to daddy's last request. Though it wasn't easy, it was not easy at all.
I don't know if I'll ever have my
Baby sis, you have to move on. It's been 2 years, for crying out loud. This man in question is married with 2 kids. He's not coming back.
Please, boy, I really love this guy. My feelings for him were real, sis.
But what he has for you was fake. Fake. See, you are beautiful. You are a speck. Your man is out there waiting for you. You just have to loosen up and give love a second chance. And I promise you, my love, you would be fine. Okay? Smile now. Why you? Everything is going to be fine. Yeah, sure. My baby, sis.
Why will you not bring that in now? Why won't you bring it? Eh? Eh? Please, I need them, please. Please, I need them today. I will call you back. Hello?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who are you?
Worker. I'm a worker, sir. I can do any type of work for you. I can clean your house. I can cook your food. I can even do gate man for you. I can wash your car. I can do mechanic for you.
So sorry, I have a gate man and I have a housekeeper.
Sir, I can work on your car. I can do mechanic work.
You're everything. Well, I have people that work for me. Thank you so much, eh? Thank you.
Sir, do you have a child? I can bath your child. I just need
Madam, I just told you that I have a housekeeper. I have maids. Eh? Thank you so much, eh?
Okay, sir, but
no, I get
I'm
it.
not eating for 2 days now, sir.
I know. This country really dealing on the poor. It's written all over you. You're very hungry. Manage this one. Manage this one.
God bless you. Hi! God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Just
Thank
manage
you.
them.
God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
Let me clean your car for you. Red
No.
or-
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Don't walk. Oh.
Hey.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Pass here tomorrow.
Poor people everywhere.
Very nice man.
Everybody needs a somebody, someone to hold their hands, show them the way and right.
Guy Alpha.
I missed your call.
Yeah. Are you still in contact with?
Your ex?
Yes.
I'm not sure. Is everything alright? Why are you asking of her all of a sudden?
Man, guy, truth of the matter is I need to settle down.
You want to settle down with peace?
Look, guy, are you in contact with her or not? That's my question.
Bro, it's been months. I don't think I have her contact anymore.
But what?
I think I know her address.
Correct. Okay, guy. So you have to give me her address, okay? And her new phone number, okay?
I never said I was going to tell you.
Guy, you did Chris. What's wrong with you now? Guy, I need your help now. Don't be like this.
Well, I'll think about it.
Which one think about it? Nah, Dimeji, give me this thing. I beg. Don't be like this now. What's wrong with you? Which one say I never... Dimeji. This guy dropped... Dimeji, don't do like this now. Give me this thing now. Give me her address.
Woman, what is...
Good afternoon. Good evening. Good morning, sir.
Are you a mad person or a normal person? What is happening here? Are you alright? Who are you? Oh. You sleep here?
No.
You are eating? Or you sleep here?
I just...
Of this shop?
No, sir.
Now my papa live here for me. If I catch you here, will you get out from here? Or I'll call the security around here for you now.
Sorry, sir.
Let me not see your dirty legs around here again.
You've got to mind the way you treat people.
Are you sure she's alright? Na madness wey dey just start me with this one. Na two person dey sick for this place. So mad person go fight me here one day. Ha! Wow.
Yeah. So the point is... So the point of consensus is this, okay? Truth of the... Can you just go? So, my brother, no. What? My brother, it's not you. Don't mind. It's not you. It's actually somebody. I mean, can you imagine a grown adult, legs, hands complete and begging? No. The truth of the matter is that these people make more money than you and I on the regular. Yes, they feel entitled. That's what the world is all about today. So back to the crux of the matter of what we're talking about. Okay? Look, yes, like I said, no, we're going to do it. It's not about what's up, man. I forgot to even tell you. Come on now. What's this now? What's this? Your new piece was married and you didn't tell me?
Why should I keep you posted about your ex?
What are you talking about? I mean, I went there and she practically threw dogs at me. What are we talking about here? No, it's not even funny, man. It's not funny. Seriously, I almost got bitten by dogs.
Bro, it's really funny. She threw dogs at you?
Of course.
Are you kidding me?
No, you basically set me up. No, you did that intentionally. You set me up, man. No, guys, not even funny. I beg. No. The way you're laughing.
Bro, I can't do a
me.
thing like that. Relax. Why would I do a thing like that? Why would I set you up?
No, but that's what you did.
You're my friend, bro. I can't do that. But honestly, if you ask me, I think you deserve it.
I deserve it?
Yes. I mean, Peace was very nice to you. She gave you sincere peace. But what did you do? You were insensitive, you were arrogant, you were mean. Bro, you didn't treat her nicely at all.
What are you on about? You know, well, one thing is this. To plead, I begged her. We all come on. Now, why is she acting like she's God? I begged her. I told her, but she wouldn't just take me back. That's it. I mean, come on now. We all Why is she acting like she's the Almighty? What's that?
This is the 21st century, okay? No woman takes back an insensitive and arrogant man. All right? Guy, you need to change your ways. I'm telling you.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what you're telling me?
Exactly.
You know what I'm going to tell you is this. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. I blame my father. Yeah, I blame my father for setting up those rules. And that's the reason you're talking to me this way. I blame my father. Because if not, you and I would not be having this kind of conversation right now.
Bro. I'm your friend. I have to tell you the truth, okay? I know it's bitter, but I must tell you the truth.
You're telling me nonsense.
You've got to change your ways.
I mean, whatever, man. You're just lucky dogs didn't bite me. Trust me. I'm telling you, we would have had a different conversation right now. I'm telling you. The conversation would have been different.
It's funny, but I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
No, trust me. There would have been teeth on the ground. I'm telling you. Okay.
What do you mean by that?
Exactly what I said, okay? I mean, last time I checked, you told me you had given up on love. So what are you talking about too?
I had to change my mind because of that.
Oh, really? Now I see the reason you just came to visit me out of the blues.
It's not about that.
It's about what?
When are we meeting her?
Meeting who?
Don't be ridiculous. You're not going to slow us down, will you?
Can I be sincere with you?
Sure.
Good. None of my exes want me back.
None of your exes want you back?
Exactly.
You must have really done them dirty.
Well, they're lost, man.
Wait a minute, must it be your ex? Why don't you find someone new?
What are you talking about, seriously? What are you really talking about? Why are you talking like you don't understand how things go now? Marriage is too deep, okay? I mean, I can't marry somebody I barely know.
At this point, that does not matter.
Really?
Because Clara is ready and so am I.
Okay.
And you know the rules. We all three have to settle at the same time.
Okay.
Or we won't be able to access daddy's bill.
Seriously, I don't understand you guys, okay? Because I don't know what you want from me. What do you want from me? What do you want me to do?
Get yourself a woman.
Why are you talking as if women are just there? There's one place, one company you just pay and then you just get a wife. No, seriously, is there a company did you register in that company for them to pay for you to just come forth and then you go and marry? You make this thing look as if it's just too easy. Please.
It is. You just have to get us a wife.
You just have to leave me alone.
What do you have in this house?
I don't know. You know your way everywhere. Please stop disturbing me.
I'm eating everything I see.
It's your business.
I'm trying all your shirts.
Stay away from my room. Stay away from my room. You better stay away from my room. Man, seriously, as much as I act like I don't really care, care about their threats, but I kind of feel some concern for them, really.
Dan, if truly you feel some kind of concern for them, if you feel an iota of concern for them, have you tried reaching out to them?
Of course I have. I've tried reaching out, talk to them, but I mean, come on, they just don't want to get back. I really wonder what I did that's so bad.
I see.
No, seriously, man, did you even say something right now? No, I'm not gonna lie to you, my brother. Look, seriously, I feel like I'm a stumbling block to my sisters, Like, I'm preventing them from harnessing what's truthfully theirs, what belongs to them.
Yeah, I understand. I understand the whole scenario. What are we going to do now?
I don't know, seriously, because I don't know.
Wait. What about your girl, Tina?
Tina? I talked to Tina. I went to Tina, I talked to her, and she said she doesn't want me no more. That she wants to try out a new guy.
Bro, in that case, I think you should also try a new girl.
Try what new? What are you talking about? Like, what?
Bro, not every relationship is meant to last.
Oh, please just stop that. Don't even go there, I beg. Don't even go there. You want me to marry somebody I barely know? What are you talking about?
Dan, who says you can divorce her later? Or is it included in the will?
quick, okay? You know what I want. Please, make it snappy today, okay? That's why I'm standing here. So please, let's get on that, okay? You again?
Have we met before, sir?
What do you mean have we met before? Of course you're just the only lady with no deformity begging around this neighborhood. Of course we have met.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, come back here. Come back. Now here's my question, okay? Why? No, seriously, why? Because you're a girl with no deformity, 2 legs, 2 hands. Your head is in between your ears. So what is going on? What is happening? Why would you be begging, constituting nuisance in this neighborhood? What happened to getting a real job? You don't want to talk? Okay, that's fine. Now listen. Okay. You know what? Here. Okay? I've got money. Alright? I've got money to give you. I've still got more in here. You understand? So if you don't want to talk, no. Get the step in. So talk. Let me hear you. That's good. Can we start talking? Talk to me.
Sir, everything was taken away from us after my dad died. Years later, I lost my mom. And life became really, really tough for me. I had to drop out from school because I couldn't raise my second semester's fees. Then I started to live with my friend. I lived with her for a couple of years and I had a provision shop where I was selling petty stuff. It went on like that until 2 months ago when I realized that my friend wanted to use me for rituals.
What?
Yes. I had to run for my life. That same day, I got robbed. They took everything from me. My phone, my money, all the money I saved, they took it from me. I didn't know what to do. I couldn't pay my rent. So I was sent out of my house. I found an uncompleted building and started living there. Whilst I was living there, I was selling petty stuff. Then the contractor of the place wanted to sleep with me. I refused him. He got so upset and threw my things away. He chased me out of the place without letting me take most of my stuff. All I had with me was this one bag and my mat. Then I resorted to begging. Before that, I tried to get menial jobs, but no one would hire me because I didn't have a place to stay. So I started begging. I started begging because I didn't want to die of hunger. And I needed to raise money so I can get a place to lay my head and equally get the menial jobs.
So you don't have a place to stay?
No, I don't. I just walk around the neighborhood and sleep anywhere I deem fit. Sometimes I stand and sleep.
I'm really sorry to hear that.
Thank you, sir.
Here. You know what? We'll go beyond this. I'll pay you handsomely if you can do me a favor.
A favor? This is very nice.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much. Like I told you, the lawyer has been instructed to draft the documents, okay?
Okay, sir.
Since we have said so, you will sign.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. I'll show you to your room, okay?
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
It's okay, it's alright. I should be thanking you for doing this for me. You might have to trash that, you know. That.
Sir, please can I keep it? I promise I'll keep it out of your sight. Please. Thank you, sir.
Ah! Oh, God. Wait, a homeless girl?
Who's got a home?
A beggar?
Who's not got money?
Bro, you never cease to amaze me. So of all the beautiful girls in the whole wide world, you chose a beggar to settle down with?
Well, I made my decision, so you have to respect that.
Well, I never said you should stoop that low.
Listen, you're the same person who told me I could divorce her later on, right?
Bro, in that case, you need to get another best man.
You wouldn't even dare.
What will you do?
Just try me. Listen, the suit I've already ordered, so you're going to be there at the wedding behind me. Yes.
This guy.
Yes.
I don't understand you.
Yes.
I mean, a beggar.
Yeah.
Ha! This guy.
Yeah, but man, you're gonna be there.
Ah!
Yes.
Now, wow.
In your suit, looking all serious. Yes.
Yeah.
Please, yeah. Oh, why you don't know?
Hi. Bro. Man. I had to show them that I'm a stepper.
I know, right?
So, those people are running about. I want to show them. No. They think that some of us have lost it, but I need to show them that I'm a stepper.
No, you still got it. Seriously. Because, I mean, for a minute, I thought you were the one who got married recently.
I almost thought so too.
My boy.
Yeah. So what's
nice.
What's up with
marriage
treating you, bro?
Are you okay? What kind of question is that? No, what kind of question is that? Why are you asking me that? I mean, it's barely 72 hours I got married. Why are you asking me this question like I've been in the game for over 30 years? What are you talking about?
So
what?
Bro, marriage has started already.
Please stop it. I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean? What are you talking about? Don't even go there. I beg. What are you talking about? Please let me be. I beg.
Wait. What are you doing here?
I don't understand.
Are you not supposed to be with your wife enjoying your honeymoon?
Are you not mad? I go bring drink, I beg. What are you talking about? What kind of stupid honeymoon? Go and get me drink. What are you talking about? I know my way to the bar.
Go.
I know my way to the bar.
Okay, don't worry. I need to serve you. Yeah, the newest married man in town.
You're very stupid. I'm coming to take my drink. Man, you're very stupid, though, this guy. You're useless.
Sis, what's going on? What's happening? When did the lawyer say he will attend to us?
Calm down. It's barely 2 weeks since we all got married.
What do you mean it's barely 2 weeks? What are you talking about? I mean, everything, it was said that I'll get my own share and once I get married. That's it. What is really going on? What's happening?
I'll be visiting the lawyer next tomorrow. I'll keep you posted.
Please, just make this happen, okay? Please, make this thing happen. No, seriously, make it happen.
Good night.
Good night. What's the delay for, man? What's the... Ella!
Sir! Yes, sir.
You've got eyes, right?
Yes, sir.
What's this?
I'm sorry, sir. It was a mistake.
It was a mistake.
I'm sorry, sir.
That mistake should never happen again. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You know what to do, right?
Yes, sir. I'll get something to clean it up. I sincerely apologize. thank God. Oh, thank God. Thank God you're back. I was worried sick about you. I called your number severally, but it wasn't reachable. Why is it so cold all of a sudden? Did I do anything wrong? Good evening,
What's
sir.
good about it? No, tell me, what's good? What's so good about this evening? Huh? No, tell me. What? No, what's wrong with you? Huh? I mean, don't you have common sense? Don't you know where basic things should be? If there's one somewhere, one should stay where one is. If there's two, two should stay where two is. That's the way life should be. I mean, I went into my kitchen. I don't even recognize my kitchen no more. I mean, pots are where they're supposed to be. Spoons are supposed to be where they're supposed to be. I mean, what happened? Now I went into my kitchen. I don't realize where things are anymore because you scattered everywhere. Are you not a woman? Of course. Yes, I know. You're going to give me that excuse that you're not used to this kind of amenities, but I don't understand how low that can be. There's something called common sense. If you see something where it was before, definitely, if you're intelligent, if you're just intelligent, you will know that those things that are there are meant to be put back there. But no, you scattered the whole place. What is this? What is really going on? Huh? Are you a kid? Are you a child? What is wrong with you to make it up? You're a woman. Live like a woman. Really, I don't blame you. I don't blame you and your crocodile tears right now. The person I blame is my father. You understand? My father who just couldn't get a grip of himself before he left this earth. What? Is this the part where I get to tell you sorry or what? Get your serious self out of my sight. Please get the step in. Man, dude, what's up?
What's up, guy? I missed your call. How you doing?
Man, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. I'm no way happy.
What happened?
Look, I don't know what is going on. You understand me? There's a clause in that contract. You understand? There's a clause in that. And first things first, you see this silly married thing? Man, it's pissing me off, really.
Dan, this is not about the marriage. Don't forget that I know you too well, okay? I know you very well. You have started having issues with Ella like other girls, right?
Look, guy, the truth of the matter is this, okay? You know I love my space. I've always loved my space since secondary school, since university. You've always known that. Okay? So right now, I mean, living with somebody I don't really know like that, man, is a problem. It's a problem to me. I'm not going to lie to you, man. I don't understand what is really going on. Every single thing is just pissing me off right now. I'm telling you.
Then go on with the plan. Divorce her.
Well, I can't.
Why?
Truth of the matter is this, okay? In my father's will, there's a clause there that says I must be married for a year before I get anything.
What?
A year.
What happened?
I don't understand. I don't understand where that came from. I just don't understand.
And your sisters too?
You know what? My sisters never had any stupid clause like that. They just got their own property just like that. Straight up. They got their own share. Straight up.
Oh my God.
Man, look, this whole thing is just pissing me off. I'm not going to lie to you, man. I'm really disturbed. I don't understand. And you know one other thing, right? In that will, there is another clause that says there has to be a spy. Yes, somebody to spy on my marriage just in case I act funny because he knows me.
A spy?
Very serious, my guy. Very serious right now.
Oh, Dan, please, can I call you back?
Man, you can call me back. I beg. Everything is pissing me off right now. Please.
Everybody needs a somebody.
Welcome, sir. Sir, please, I would like to have a word with you.
I'm listening.
It concerns your father's will. Sir, I want you to know that I'm not interested in any part of his will. What you gave to me is enough for me. Also, I wanted to use this medium to apologize to you for anything I've done wrong. Please, forgive me.
Okay.
Okay? Just okay? I'm sorry.
You know what, matter of fact, yeah. I'm going to need your services for another 10 months, actually. I never expected this was going to happen. I'm kind of stuck with you.
Sir, I don't understand what you're talking about.
I didn't get my own share of the will.
What?
Exactly. I don't know why my father did that. Best reasons known to him. But truth of the matter is I didn't get the will. The will... You know what? The silly will... Yes, I'm allowed to call it a silly will, okay? The will says that I will only get a share of that will. My own share of that will. Only if I'm married for a year. So you see, I'm stuck with you. So I need your services for another 10 months.
I'm so sorry about that, sir. Sorry. I just got carried away on that. I'm sorry, sir.
So, like I said, I'll need you to be with me for another 10 months. I'll pay for it.
You don't have to pay anything. What you gave to me is enough.
And why?
Because I haven't even touched the money you gave to me.
And I ask why again?
Because you provide practically everything for me in this house. As long as I have a roof over my head, I am good.
Okay, that's fine. Regardless, you still have to sign a contract because I don't want you getting up one day and saying you're leaving.
That's not a problem, sir. I'll sign it.
Good.
Sir, would you like to eat something? Anything?
Hello? Speaking.
Daniel, it's me, Kemi.
Kemi?
Kemi Sola Tyler.
Kemi Tyler. Babe, how have you been? How are you? Oh my God.
I'm doing great, and you?
Well, I'm doing good too.
That's good to hear. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you that I'm back to Nigeria.
Wait, are you for real?
Yes, I am in Lagos right now.
What?
We should link up, you know.
Yeah, most definitely. Come on, we should do this. Let's link up. Yeah. Okay. So we'll talk tomorrow, okay? All right. Welcome back. Good night.
Good night, Daniel. Bye.
Wow. Good timing. Good timing. Kemi's back. Good timing.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Iron that. Okay? I have a meeting the next 2 hours. Do you understand me? Okay? So please iron that, and this evening don't even bother cooking anything. Alright?
Okay, sir.
Alright?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Please tell me, is this my destiny? Is this my destiny? Is this the life that I end up leaving? Yeah. I can't even comprehend.
Yes, sir.
Hey, take down the picture in the living room and don't put them back until I say so, okay?
Okay, sir.
Baby, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, baby. You are welcome. Yeah, my baby. I missed you.
I missed it.
Look at you, look at you, look at you, oh, look American now. Look at you.
Yeah, we do have a beautiful place.
Well, I keep trying,
Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma.
Yeah.
Who's this?
Oh yeah, that's my cook. That's my cook. Yeah, she general house. You know.
You're a cook.
Yeah. She does all the house chores too.
Turn.
Huh? Hey?
Turn. You're a cook with this body.
Hmm? What?
Nice.
What body? What? Please, oh my God, I want to ease myself. You know what? Please take care of my girl, okay? Whatever my baby wants, give it to her, okay? Make sure you give her every single thing you want. Baby, I'll be right back, okay, mommy? Yes. Ooh,
nice.
What do you want, ma'am?
How well do you cook?
I'm from Akwa Ibom, so I cook very, very well.
Good. I need you to make me white rice and chicken stew. Yeah.
Okay, ma.
I need the stew to be peppery.
Yes, ma. No problem.
Hey. Give me a glass of drink. Soft drink.
Okay, ma. Anything else?
No.
All right, ma.
Hey? Where's she?
She stepped outside to take a phone call.
Oh, she did?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, listen, okay? You see that lady? She's the one I might marry, okay? So that means you must accord her every single respect she needs. Whatever she wants, you give her. Do you understand me? I don't want you having problems with her. You cannot even afford to have problems with her. Why? Because you signed a contract with me. You understand? Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Good. So just keep it going like that. The way you give me yes, sir, give her yes, ma, like that. You understand? That's how it works. You sign that contract, make this happen. Don't breach it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. That's right. My baby. My girl, come on now. Come on now. Come here. Baby, where did you go?
I went to take a business call.
No, you shouldn't have calls. You shouldn't have calls. Nobody should disturb you.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am? Sorry. Here you go.
She's still sleeping. Ella! Ella! What is wrong with you? Good morning, Emma. Why would a maid like you be sleeping by this time of the day?
I'm very sorry.
You are very sorry. What kind of audacity did you even swallow? Madam, I'm hungry. I need my breakfast.
All right, ma.
5 minutes. 5 minutes! I'm sorry.
Yeah, bro. So, Kemi finally accepted your proposal after all these years.
Listen, guy, what matters is I love her and she does too, okay?
Okay. Well, bro, I just hope you maintain her and not treat her like other girls.
Can you just be happy with me for once? That wouldn't hurt, you know.
Bro, come on. I'm your friend. I'm just being concerned, okay? I mean, this girl flew all the way down just to be with you. You don't have to mess with her.
Listen, we don't know that, okay? But what you should know is that I'll be getting married to her after filing a divorce with Ella in the next 10 months.
Okay. I just pray everything works out the way you planned it.
Of course it will.
So, what's up with Ella? How is she coping?
Man, who cares? She's just my business partner.
Bro, regardless, she is still human.
So?
Never mind. I'll talk to you later, bro.
Yeah, where's the picture? The picture.
It's in my room, sir.
It's in your room.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know what? Yeah, my sister, she's already at the estate gate. Okay, so you just have to get the picture and put it right there.
What about your fiancé?
Don't worry about that. Okay, she'll be back later. Okay, I'm on time. And where's the wedding band?
It's with me.
Yeah, wear it now.
So what if your fiancé comes around?
Just wear it, please. Stop questioning me, okay? And get the picture. Get it real quick, okay?
Okay, sir.
Real quick.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you are so welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome,
sis.
I was just passing by and I decided to get this for you.
Thank you so
Oh,
much.
you shouldn't have. Thank you so much. So what about your husband? How is he?
My husband is doing really great. I mean, I'm so blessed to be married to him. I mean, it treats me so well and it doesn't even allow me to do the chores.
Excuse me, so you have a maid?
Maid?
Once upon a time you said you never wanted a maid.
I don't have a maid. My husband practically does the house chores.
What? And why?
Because he loves me and he doesn't want to stress me.
Well, that's him, man. You're lucky. Because that can't be me. Never be me.
Are you trying to say you've been stressing Ella?
No, he's just joking. He practically does everything in this house.
Wow.
Yes, he loves me so much. He doesn't allow me lift a finger. He was just mopping the house before you stepped in. Yes. My husband loves me so much.
Oh my God.
Thank you, baby.
I'm so proud of you, Dan.
Yeah. I mean, mommy thought as well, right?
Okay. Like I said, I was driving by and I decided to come say hi. So I would be on my way now.
All right. Okay, so let me see you off then.
No. Don't worry. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself, okay?
Okay. All right. Take care. I'll call your husband. All right. Okay, sis. All right. Okay. What was that? What was that? No. What was that? What was that PDA for? Public display of affection? How? What? You trying to buy my sister over with what?
I was just acting.
You were acting what? You were overdoing it. What's that?
Everything I did was to save you.
To save me? What do you mean by saving me? Now, I mean, come on now. The hug was okay. I mean, it was bad enough. What's with kissing? Why would you be kissing me? For what?
You said you don't know who the spy is. What if she's the one?
Man, whatever, please. You're not kissing me.
I'm sorry.
Please. Take that ring off. Kemi's on her way. And she wants jollof rice.
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry, sir.
Oh, what was that? Ella, be fast!
Yeah.
Everybody needs a somebody.
What is this rubbish that you prepared?
I don't understand.
Why is it tasting like a cow poo?
That's a lie, ma'am.
Are you calling me a liar?
No, ma'am. I meant that's not true.
I mean, that's not true. What is this? Are you insane? Don't you know how to cook? Talk. I don't get it. What was this? Don't.
Hey, what's going on? What's happening?
Babe, this thing just called me a liar and a thief, a prostitute.
Jesus, that's not true, sir. Sir, she's lying. I never.
I am lying.
Hey, babe, come on now. Come on, babe. You're bigger than this.
I want to beat
Babe, come on now.
Leave me alone. Let me beat her.
Come on now. Don't be like
Rubbish.
Sir, I swear I did not.
You did not.
Babe.
I'm lying.
Then get out of here. Just bounce. Babe, come on now. No, just lay down. Just let this one pass, okay? Just let it pass.
I want her to leave this house tonight.
What? Babe, come on now. You can say that. Come on. No.
I can't say that.
Honey, don't be like this. Look, where will she go? You remember she's homeless. Come on.
Is it my business? I don't care. She's just a maid. Why are you attaching so much importance to this girl?
I'm not, but come on. Just let this pass, okay? She's just a mere maid, like you said. Just let it pass, please.
No. She's leaving this house tonight.
Excuse me.
Babe, come on now. Babe. Babe. Ella! Come here! What's wrong with you? Come here. What's wrong with you? What's really wrong with you? Have you gone bonkers? Listen, I told you to focus on the reason you're here. Won't you do that? What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry, sir.
You're sorry for what? Sorry doesn't cut it. Sorry doesn't cut it. Why would you call her a prostitute and a thief? I did. No, you did what? You shut up. Don't come lying. Listen. Just shut up. Okay, shut up. Listen. You signed a contract. You understand? You signed a contract. You signed a contract. You understand? And you better abide to that contract, okay? Don't even try. Don't even try to go against it. You signed a contract.
I'm very sorry, sir.
Now, the next thing that's going to happen right now is you're going to go and apologize to her. You understand? You understand me? You're going to go apologize. Do you understand? Do you understand? Listen, you're going to go apologize. You know, matter of fact, I'm going to bring her here, and anything she says, you do. You signed a contract. Don't breach it. Remember that. Just wait here. Wait here! Wait!
Everybody needs a somebody. Someone who is always there. Who cares in their time of pain and
I will forgive you on one condition.
Honey, what's the condition?
Henceforth, you will be washing my undies with your bare hands.
Babe.
What is it?
Well, I don't think she has a choice, does she?
You are not a mad pest. Let us talk.
I'll do it.
I didn't get that, sorry.
I said I'll do it.
Yeah, she'll do it.
Wait. Next time, don't you ever get on my nerves again. Oh, she's crying.
I'm sure she
Never see
wouldn't.
anything.
I'm sure she wouldn't, baby. I'm sure she. Please, next time, don't get on my babe's nerves again, okay? Honey, let's just go upstairs, okay? Let's. Come upstairs.
everybody needs a somebody. Someone who is always there. Who cares in their time of pain and despair. Everybody needs a somebody.
The main money. Hey, the main money, my guy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. You have money, man. What's good, homie? What's good?
Yeah, bro, work has been very stressful lately. I mean, so stressful.
Stressful.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Well, I'm sorry.
It's crazy.
You have to carry your cross, man, because your sincerely doesn't do 9 to 5s, okay? I'm sorry, I can't relate.
Bragging. That's what it's called.
Where were you when God chose me, man? My God!
Whatever. So what's up? What is all? This is your... What's her name again? Ella. How's she doing?
Excuse me. Is that a noun, name of an animal, place, or thing? What are you talking about? Man, why are you gonna ask me of shallow things, man? Ask me of light. What are you talking about? What do you mean, Ella?
Ah! God. Okay, so... How is Kenny?
Hey, now you're talking, okay? Now listen. BAPY is good.
Okay.
My light is good.
Okay.
You understand? She's alright. She's good. Safe hands.
You know what I'm feeling? I think this is your sudden excitement for Kemi. Is it because it took her a long time to accept your proposal?
Listen, it's because she's a dream girl. She's a dream girl, okay? Myself and her dream team. Myself and her power couple. Look at that. Come on, imagine it now. Have an imaginative mind. Look at myself. Look at Kemi. I mean, look at the power couple. What are we talking about here, my guy? Come on now, listen. And right now, she's with me. She's never slipping off my fingers, never. And trust me when I say this, okay? If I had her earlier, I wouldn't have gotten into this silly nonsense contract with some pauper of a beggar. No.
Wait, you're calling her a beggar, right?
Of course, that's what she is. Yeah.
That girl saved your ass.
No, don't say that. No, don't ever say that. Don't say that. No. I won't take her into that. What are you talking about? I saved her.
Bro, she did you a huge favor.
No. I gave her a life. I gave her a shelter. You understand? I gave her a shelter that she has never been. I gave her a roof over her head that she's never experienced. I gave her food that she has never eaten. You understand? I gave her comfort. I paid her in full, without services being rendered. You understand? Without even shagging her. So you can trust me when I say this, okay? She should consider me God's gift on earth to her. That's it.
You know what? I think you deserve an award for bragging.
No, what I think is I should get an award for currently putting two of you into the equation. You understand? This is how it's going to sound. Where were both of you when God chose me? Please. My guy, calm down. I beg. Before you start to vex, man. Relax, man.
Now somebody will don't know you go vex.
I beg, you know now. But come on now. You can't be asking me of that girl now. If them put Kemi, put Ella, who you go choose? No even answer. I know the answer.
Everybody needs a somebody. Someone who is always there. Who cares in their time of pain and despair. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody. Someone to hold their hand.
Of course you gotta trust me.
Show them the way and bright path of life. Everybody needs a somebody.
Come here. Stand here now. Why are you dressed like this? You even wore wig. For a maid. Please don't dress like this again. Don't try it. Go change her. Pass. Go and change her.
Baby, she will change. Baby, you're looking at that? I never saw anything like that. Come on, baby. Come on now. Don't do that.
Everybody needs a somebody.
Good evening, sir.
Where are you coming from?
Sir, I told you I was going to the market.
Okay. And then? What? Okay? You have to give me a reason for this disrespectful attitude right now, okay? Because I know the time you left here, and then you're coming back here by what time? You left here in the morning, okay? And you're coming back here what time? So you better tell me what happened in between these hours. What happened? Where have you been? I'm listening. Come on. Split it up. Yeah.
When I left the market,
okay,
I went to the mall to get a few toiletries.
Went to the mall? And
Yes,
what
sir.
next? Yeah.
Then I bumped into Uncle Dimeji.
Hold on. Who's Uncle Dimeji?
Your friend, sir.
My friend.
Yes, sir.
And then what next?
He asked me to see a movie with him, and I obliged.
Wait, hold on, slow down. What did you say? That you bumped into my friend Demeji, and then Demeji,
Yes, sir.
you and him went on a movie date. And then what next? You obliged him.
Yeah.
And then what next? Because you gotta start talking, okay? You gotta start talking to me, okay? I need to understand where this is going and where this is ending. Who called you? Who called you?
Uncle Demeji.
Uncle Demeji.
Yes, sir.
Uncle Demeji. Demeji. Wait, hold on. You went out and you found yourself with Demeji and you went on a movie date and next thing he's calling you knowing you're in my house? Is that what it is now?
Very sorry.
No, don't tell me sorry. That's so stupid. No, what was this about? Huh? No. So this is how you are. You just meet men and next thing you just follow the man out for no reason. My own friend, you know they fear. What? No wonder your friend tried to use you for rituals because you're stupid and dumb. Now, brings me to my next question, okay? Don't even annoy me now. Just answer me the way I'm talking to you right now. How long was this movie? Talk to me now. How long was this movie?
2 hours.
2 hours. So 2 hours the movie. You left in the morning and then you're coming back by this time. So that's a lot of disparity. Now I look into your eyes and I know there's something else. So what next after the movie?
He took me to a restaurant and...
Wait, whoa. Demeji took you to a restaurant? Wait, stingy Demeji, my friend she took you to... And what next?
We had Irish potatoes.
Hey, shut up! What do you mean you had Irish potatoes? I hope both of you drank acid to down it. Now, keep talking to me. What next? What next? Where's Demeji?
He dropped me off at the estate gate.
Wait, hold on. Demeji dropped you at the estate gate knowing I'm here. Demeji didn't even call me. My friend, so you just met my friend and next thing you just went out with him. You just went out to a movie date with him. And then you went to a restaurant. To a restaurant, you're telling me nonsense about whatever nonsense you ate, and then Demeji gets to my estate gate knowing I'm in the house and didn't call me? Is this how you are? You're very stupid. You're very silly. You've gone bonkers. What is this? You know, look, just get out of my sight. And get the step in our bag. Just bounce.
Someone who is always there.
Listen, you have a lot of explanations to do, okay? Wait, come here.
Pain and despair. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody.
Hello. I wasn't expecting your call today. What's up? What's going on?
I wasn't expecting you to be seeing my wife behind my back.
I don't understand what you're saying. Your wife has traveled back to the States.
Man, listen, don't even give me that crap. You understand me? Don't even try it, okay? I'm not talking about Kemi here.
So what are you talking about?
Mr. Man, you took Ella on a movie date.
Oh. You almost gave me a heart attack, bro.
This is not an answer to my question, okay?
Well, bro, if you must know, I bumped into her yesterday. I mean, she was looking so radiant, much more beautiful than she always looks. So I decided to compensate her beauty with something beautiful.
Hey, guy, are you crazy?
What's the meaning of that?
You took my wife on a movie date and you're here being proud of it?
I did not take your wife on a movie date. I took the beggar who is on a marriage contract with you for just 1 year on a movie date. Please don't mix it up.
Really? So you have eyes on Ella?
Bro, who wouldn't? I mean, the girl is beautiful and homely.
Are you crazy? Are you mad? Listen, do you know what you're doing? You're actually flirting with my woman.
Did you say flirting? Bro, Ella is not your woman. Kemi is.
I am legally married to her, so she's mine. Get that into your thick, stupid skull. If you want any woman of your own, you go grab her yourself, okay? Go catch your own fish. Stay out of my business.
What is wrong with this guy? Oh my goodness.
You know the right things to say to make me laugh. Thank you. Stop it. Yes, you're trying to pull my legs. Stop. Oh my goodness, you're so funny. Yes. Yes. You're so funny. Let me call you back. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
The Meiji, right? The Meiji. You know you're very stupid. You're nothing but a low life. You're so low. I mean, the contract is not done yet. Not done. You already threw yourself at my friend. A friend you don't even know. My best friend. You see you? This is you, okay? This is you. Yeah? Low. Stamp you low. You're low. I'm telling you, you're cheap and you're useless. Worthless. I'll say it again for better emphasis. This is you, right? You? Here. I put you here, I stamp you. That's how low you are. Cheap. Get out of my sight! I said get the stepping! Cheap thing.
I'm so sorry I missed your call.
Yeah, hi. Kemi's in town, right? Yeah, that's what you said, Kemi's in town. So what's going on? Why haven't I seen her? What is going on? I mean... Yeah, you said something about a conference, but come on now. I mean, this is so strange. She's in town. I mean, I've not heard anything from her. I've even tried reaching her on the American line, but it doesn't go.
I guess she's busy with her conference and all. I'm very sure she'll reach out to you as soon as she's free.
Please tell her I'm concerned, okay?
Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody. Someone to hold their hands. Show them the way and right path of life. Everybody needs somebody.
Good evening, sir.
I mean, where in the universe are you coming from?
I went to the pharmacy to get some medication. I'm not feeling too well.
Or you went to the pharmacy to get abortion pills?
Excuse me?
Excuse you. Okay? Excuse you. As usual, like you always do, you went to the pharmacy to get abortion pills. That's what I'm telling you. I mean, it's not only normal, it's not only usual that you're sleeping with the Meiji. It seems you're frolicking with other men.
Sir, I don't understand what you're talking about. But I do not think I like the direction to which you're going.
Well, let me put you in the direction you should actually get your senses to, so I'll understand you right now, okay? To put you in the right frame of understanding. Let me tell you something. It is not enough, okay? Because it seems you don't understand. Your thinking faculty is like far off, but let me bring you closer. It's not bad enough that you are married. Yes, you're married. You signed the dotted papers. You're married. It's not enough that you're sleeping with my best friend. It seems like you're sleeping around right now. Seems like you have a good roof over your head, so now you're doing anything you want to do with regards to frolicking. You don't have shame. You're low. You call people prostitutes, but then what are you practicing? You're the one who's been a prostitute. You're the one in the lane of prostitution. Okay? When they define prostitution, all I see is you and your ways. You're sleeping with your husband's best friend. That's what you're doing. How low can you be? You understand? I'm saying this loud, bold, and clear. How low can you be? And where the hell do you think you're going? Remember you signed a contract, right?
I'm going to get my things and I'm leaving your house.
You won't even dare. You know why? Because you signed a contract, you understand me, and you have my money, so you cannot leave this place.
Check your account. I just transferred all your money back to you.
You did?
Yes, I did. You know, the first day you charged at me, I requested for your account details from Dimeji because I knew a day like this would come and I wouldn't want to get stuck.
Well, okay. But let me tell you something. Let me educate your little ignorance right now, okay? You signed the dotted papers. You signed the documents. So we have a contract that is, of course, legally binding. You understand me? So you cannot breach it.
To hell with your contract. To hell with the document. To hell with this bloody marriage. And to hell with you.
You've got to mind the way you treat people. The way you treat people. No, you never know. No, you never know what the future holds.
Jesus.
Everybody needs a somebody, someone who is always there, who cares in their time of pain and despair. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody, someone to hold their hands, show them the way and right path of life. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody.
Dan, what are you doing now? Pick your call. Why are you not picking your call? Ah, God.
Next guy, what are you doing here now?
Bro,
No, what are you doing here? I beg.
Bro.
No, what are you doing? What are you doing here? What are you doing?
Talk.
Talk about what? Talk about what? If it's about Ella, I'm not interested, okay?
It's not about Ella.
Then what is it about?
It's about Kemi.
What about Kemi?
Just wait.
What are you trying to show me right now?
Take a look at this. Take a look at this, bro. She's married with 2 kids.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Bro, that girl deceived us. I mean, the caption says that she had issues with her husband and flew down to Nigeria to cool her head. And now she's back to him.
My God. And you know, I was calling this girl. I was calling Kemi. I was calling her. She wasn't picking up and her friend was covering up for her when I called her.
These girls, they're so incredible. They're so incredible. I mean, bro, I was just scrolling through a random friend's page and I saw her tag. I know she would never believe that we will ever say this.
God.
Bro, just take it easy. Take it easy.
So, how are you and how is everything at Stella?
Fine.
Good.
Where is your wife?
Yeah, she traveled.
She traveled?
Yes, she traveled. Actually, a sister of hers came around from the States and, they decided to catch up and then just goes to another city for a bit.
But I thought you said she's an orphan and she doesn't have a family.
Yeah, this sister is actually a distant cousin. They found themselves on social media. Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, I see. So, when is she coming back?
In a few weeks.
Oh, you would have to hurry her.
And why?
Yeah, Big Mommy is arriving in Nigeria next month.
What?
Yeah, I think that's a great news. You know, the last time we saw her was when Mom passed, and I really can't wait to see her. And now you have every privilege to ask her those questions you've been wanting to ask her. And I think she would like Ella. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I believe she would like her too.
I really can't wait to see her.
Yeah.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good. It's just that Big Mommy hasn't been around for a long time.
Oh.
So it's just getting used to her again.
Exactly.
Yes.
You're right.
Yeah. Come on, man. Don't be like this now. Come on, you're my boy now. Don't be like this. I've told you I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. Forgive me. Come on. I know I messed up, but come on now.
It's okay. Fine.
It's fine, right?
Yeah.
That's my boy. Man, smile now. What's they worry you? Okay, man. Listen. No, seriously now. I'm not even going to... I don't want to cap things right now. Seriously, I'm under pressure. The truth of the matter is that I need your help.
My help? How?
Yes, I need your help. Seriously, I need your help. You see, Big Mommy is coming into town. She's coming to the country real soon.
Your mom's elder sister?
Yes.
Huh. Bro, that's a good thing. I know you've been wanting to see her. At least you get the chance to ask her all the questions you've been itching to ask her.
Listen, man, what if she's the spy?
I don't understand.
What I'm trying to tell you, what if she's the spy my dad told to look into my marriage, to spy on my marriage?
This is serious.
Exactly. So you see, this is where I need your help. Seriously, I need your help to get to Ella so I can, go apologize to her. I know you two of you are doing your thing. That's fine. Look, I'm not going to get into your way, okay, ever again. But the truth of the matter is that I've got bigger problems. I need her, around so I can apologize to her so she can forgive me.
Dan, wait. How are you so sure that I have a thing going on with her? Is it because I took her to see a movie?
Come on now, don't be like this. Come on now, you can't lie to me. You're my guy now. Look, listen, I've moved on from that, okay? Look, I know you're having a thing with her, so stop all this now. You and I know it's happening.
Bro, listen to me. There is nothing between Ella and I, okay? I only like her because of her story. I believe she deserves to have a good life too. That's it, no strings attached.
You don't have to lie to me, No, you don't have to lie to me. Come on, don't be like this. Don't be lying to me now. Come on.
Bro, I'm not lying to you. You know me. You know I don't sleep around. Besides, why would I do a thing like that to Ella? An innocent girl, why?
What are you talking about? Why are you flipping? What are you saying? Look, when I confronted you, you stood up for her. So what are you saying?
Because I was only trying to protect her.
And what about the constant calls?
Because she told me she's always bored. So I decided to help out. Okay? I only call Ella when I'm less busy. Nothing. So I don't know what your mind is telling you.
So you
wipe it off.
You know to do with her?
Bro, nothing. Don't get yourself.
Anyways, man, seriously, look, I need her to be around, okay, when Big Mommy is in the house, so she can, be there. And I don't want any loopholes. I don't want no loopholes. Please, come on now, no loose end. Not at this hour, man.
It's not that easy, okay? A lot has happened. I need to call her and ask her permission first. She might not want to see you.
You treated her so badly. Okay? Bro, you need to do something about your life. You need to change your ways. No ex wants you back. No new girl wants to stay. Bro, it's not a good thing.
Dude, please just make this happen for me. Please, I need to see Ella. Please.
Bro, I can't give you her number without her consent. I need to tell her first. I can't. I'm sorry. What do you want to drink? I mean, I can get you something to drink.
I know I have no excuses. I know I have totally erred, but please, just hear this from me. As I say, I'm truly sorry. Sorry.
It's fine. Keep me posted on the day she'll be around. I will only stay within the period she's around.
Thank you so much. God bless your humble heart. Thank you.
You're welcome. You may leave.
Thank you.
Everybody needs a somebody, someone who is always there, who cares in their time of pain and despair.
Hey baby, how you doing? You're welcome, darling, welcome. Oh, how are you? You know what? Yeah, I was actually making lunch and I know you're hungry, right? So I'll serve you. Yeah.
You're making lunch?
Yes, of course. I mean, you can see the apron with me, right?
Where is the camera?
I don't understand what cameras.
You're obviously doing this for the cameras.
No, I'm not. Come on, what cameras? No, I missed you. What are you talking about? I missed you. I'm lucky to have you here. I mean, you came right on time. I was actually expecting you some hours later, but the truth of the matter is this, okay? So, you know what? I need you to get your pretty self, your pretty face, to just sit down, and just relax while I serve you, all right? I'm here to serve you.
My pretty face.
Your pretty face. Of course you're fine. Just relax. Just stay there, okay? Let me get this in. And I got you because you're so fine.
Everybody needs a somebody, someone who is always there, who cares in their time of pain and despair. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody.
You sign up.
Someone to hold your hand.
Where?
You sign up.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
And right path of life. Everybody needs a somebody.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. What is he up to?
This food is so delicious, so delicious. Your hands are blessed.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You know, Auntie, I'm so lucky. You know, I'm so blessed to have this beautiful angel as my wife, you know. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Love is so beautiful. Love is sweet.
You can say that again.
My dear, you're so beautiful.
Of course.
You're beautiful.
Just look at her. Look at her. Look at the cheekbones. Look at her.
Thank you very much, ma. You're very pretty too.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma.
You know, I miss you so much.
No.
just remorse.
I love you.
I love you more. I love you more. Auntie, you need to taste our soup.
The soup is something else. I'm telling you.
I can't wait.
When she makes that native soup, oh my God. Oh my God.
I can't wait to test it.
Ah, my baby. My queen.
Good. Like the picture, right?
I love it. I love it.
She's beautiful, right? Yeah. Good. Of course she is.
Dan.
What?
Do you know why I've been staring at this picture? She looks very familiar. Very, very familiar.
No, I don't think so because she's never been abroad before.
Have you forgotten I was here before I left for the States?
Yeah, but you're giving the picture quite a stare, so...
Please, can you call her for me? I need to ask her some questions.
Is everything okay?
Sure, trust me, everything is okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I just need to find out some things from her. I need to ask her some questions. Yeah.
Okay.
Good day, Mama.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Please go and sit with me. Where are you from?
I'm from Akwa Ibom, Ma.
Akwa Ibom?
Yes, Ma.
Where in Akwa Ibom?
Correct, Dane.
What's your father's name?
Samuel F. Young.
F. Young.
Yes,
Jesus. He worked as a driver in Lagos. Jesus.
Yes,
you must be Emanuela.
Yes, that's me.
Can you remember where he worked in Lagos as a driver?
Yes, Badagry.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. And your mother's name is Maggie.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Hello?
Yo.
Excuse me, what's going on? What's happening, Auntie? What's happening? What's going on?
Dan, I think I know her. Our father used to work for your late father. And our father tried so much for him. You remember the question you asked me yesterday? And I told you I was going to think about it.
Yes.
You remember when you had your crisis back then?
Yeah.
The old doctor tried all they could, but to no avail. Your blood type was nowhere to be found in any hospital bank. Your mother noticed she was losing you. She started crying for help. Her father now decided to help. Came for the test. Unfortunately, his blood type was not yours. Then he left the hospital, went back to his place, brought his wife and his daughter to the hospital. The wife too had her own test, but yet was no match to yours. His daughter had her own tests, and her blood matched yours. That was how she saved your life.
Auntie, are you in any way saying Ella is the lifesaver I've been looking for?
She saved your life.
Everybody needs a somebody, someone who is always there, who cares in their time of pain and despair. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody, someone to hold their hands, show them the way and right path of life. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody. Someone who is always there, who cares in their
Big Mommy is
time of
going back.
pain and despair. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody, someone to hold their hand, show them the way and right path of life. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody, someone who is always there, who cares in their time of pain and despair. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody, someone to hold their hands, show them the way and right path of life. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody, someone who is always there, who cares in their time of pain and despair. Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody, someone to hold their hands, show them the way and right path of life. Everybody needs a somebody.
Come in. Is everything okay?
Do you have to go?
An agreement is an agreement. Besides, I don't want your wife to come around and run you away from drama.
The Meiji didn't tell you.
Tell me what?
Yemi's married with 2 kids.
What?
Yeah. She actually had issues with her husband and then she flew into the country to cool off and deceive me.
Wow. I'm really sorry about that.
You don't have to be. I mean, it's a cross I have to carry. You did nothing.
Yeah.
So now that nobody's around to disturb you, why don't you stay?
That's still not a good enough reason for me to stay back.
What if I give you a better reason? Considerate reason.
Which is?
I love you. Yes, Ella, I do. You see, being with you over time has actually made me grow fond of you. And the truth is, there's this egocentric thing in me that has made me fight the feelings I have for you because I just couldn't believe I was falling for you.
Because I was a beggar and homeless,
No.
right? Are you saying this because you just found out that I saved your life?
The last time I was in love, she was a granite seller. And she actually introduced me to liking bushmeat. We fell in love. I helped her expand. She had a little supermarket. Well, guess what today? She dumped me for no reason and she's currently married to my rich uncle.
Okay. What if you didn't find out about Kemi?
Then I just have to live in denial for the rest of my life. But I'm just begging you, please. I'm saying this because I found a woman who's got true values. Because I found a woman who's taught me forgiveness. Who has the true ABCs of womanhood I need. And I want to keep her.
You love me so much. And you want to keep me. Yet you treated me like trash.
Look, all I'm saying is I'm sorry. Please, please listen. I was fighting certain demons of what had happened to me. I'm not a bad person. So right now, before you, before God, before every authority, I'm just saying this, please, please, and please. Emanuela Effion, forgive this man.
Who gave you the right to call me by my full name?
The right to know that I know what is right and wrong now. The right to know that I don't have to live in my past feelings of not trusting any lady, of not trusting true love when I see it. But if you tell me today you don't want to have anything to do with me, I won't blame you. But I'll live with guilt for the rest of my life. Take it with you.
Dad? The truth is, I've equally been fighting this feeling. I've been fighting it so bad. I like you. I like you a lot. Maybe I do more than like you, actually. You see, I could see through you. And all the times you tried to fight your feelings for me, I saw it. Aside the fact that your family and friends treated me with so much love. You are a good man. There was this night you thought I was sleeping. You came in to cover me. That single act meant a whole lot to me. And so many other things you did. You're a very good man with a good heart. And I have equally grown so fond of you. I want to be around you always. I want to be by your side. Dan, I want to be close to you. I love you. My heart yearns for you. That's if you still have me.
Emmanuela, if young. I love you.
I love you too.
Everybody needs a somebody. Everybody needs a somebody. Someone who is all